Hi everyone. In this video, I would be explaining you the process of getting an access to the Creative Hub portal and how to log in for the very first time, how to upload your designs in the portal, and how to see the status of your designs. So let's start. So once your account is approved, our team will be sending you an access to a portal, and you will receive an email like this that you are invited to join Customer One-to-One's portal. Open that email, and this is how your email will look like. So this is your email ID. So this is in this example, it's mine. So I've used W1. So this would be your email ID which you have used to register with Creative Hub. Okay, and here's the link, accept invitation. So click on this button, a window will open, and you would be asked to set a password. So you set your password. Okay, click on update. Now you need to remember this password because this would be the password you would be needing every time to log in into the Customer One-to-One portal. Okay, so once you reset your password, close this, and you have a portal URL. Okay, this is the URL which you need to save, and this is the URL which you need to use every time to log in into the customer portal. So click on this. Since you have already logged in, you would be landed in the page. Otherwise, you need to use your login ID and password. I'll explain you. I'll just log out once. You're into this. Just set up your email ID. And this is a password I just created. I'm signing in. If you forgot or reset password, you can reset a password from here as well. Okay, so here you go. So this is your contact name. You can verify. You can click on this and you can see your details as well, which you have given to us. Okay, so that's the detail. Now go to the design tab, and there is no design as of now because that's a fresh account. Click on this plus button to add a new design. Here you go. The contact, this is your name. Okay, the project under which you want to submit any design, select a project. Status is internally, this is not editable. So you see this lock button. Wherever you see lock button, this is a read only field for you. Our team will be updating for communicating the status with you. So things which are not with the lock button, you need to enter details over there, and the red ones are mandatory. So for the design name, I'll enter test design. Much description is test design. So now we have made description a non-mandatory field. So if you don't have any description, or if you can't explain your design, so you can skip the description field as well. Now you need to choose the merchandise. Currently we have t-shirts, suitable for men, women, or unisex, because that's a t-shirt, so you can select men. Now here is the image upload, which is your design upload. You can either drag drop or you can click to browse image. Okay, if you click to browse image, you'll get a window like this. You select a design and upload it. Okay, now I'm also showing you how you can drag and drop. Simply bring in and drop it here. Now, one thing to remember, though the system allows to upload more than one image, but you have to upload only one image here, because every submission will have a unique ID, and if you upload more than one images over here, then we can't allocate same unique number to all the designs, and we might have to reject this particular submission and request you to submit the individual designs again. So submit only one image over here. Okay, so now click on attach. Your design would be attached here. This Amazon link is again a lock, and this Flipkart link is again with the lock button, means there's something which we would be giving you as a information from our side. Now in the work declaration, you need to submit that it's your original work. and you need to confirm that it's an exclusive with us. Once you do this, just save. If you save, it will go to the same window and it will show you the design details. Okay, and if you want to submit a new design, you could have clicked save and new button. Okay, now this is the design which has been created and you see this design code. This is number 63 and your design is in a submitted state. Okay, now this has come into our system and we can track it right away. 63 is a unique number being given to this particular design which you have submitted. Since I've used the sample image, so don't go by this, that you can also submit this. This is just a sample image I've created. Okay, so we have this particular design in our record now and we can start updating the status. And I'll be showing you now how you will see the real-time status and how you will get all real-time notifications. Okay, so in parallel screen, I'm just trying to update the status of the design. So from submitted, I'm setting the design to shortlisted state. Okay, so it's done from our side, and I'm just gonna go back to my email and see if I got the email. See this. First was the confirmation email that we have received your work. So the moment you submit any design, we will get a notification. So you will get a notification that we have got it. So these are design code 63, project IPL 2020, design name test design, description I submitted test design. Status was submitted because that's by default status, and it was submitted on this date and time. Okay. Now, the second mail you have received when the, sorry, this is your confirmation email for the portal. Okay, so that's a confirmation email. Let's see the so now you see this. There's a status update email you have received for the shortlisted status of your design. This is the status which has been updated. Status is shortlisted now. Now we go to the portal and we refresh. So for this particular design, the status is now showing as shortlisted. Say this, it's shortlisted. Now this is one particular design which you're seeing complete details. You can see all the designs in a tabular format as well. So look at this. This is a test design. Design code was 63. This was the date you submitted. The status is shortlisted. Okay, I clicked on it. It opened again. Now I'll try to change the status from shortlisted to, let's say, approved. So you will get a notification once again, and the status would also be updated here. Let me show you first the email. See, the customer, congrats, your work 63 has been approved. Okay, so 63 has been approved. Our team will make it live soon and shall update you on the status. Now you go back to the portal, refresh it, and you will be able to see the status as approved as well. Look at this. So this is approved. Now all the designs which you would be submitting in multiple projects would be listed down over here only. Alright guys, so this is how you need to upload the designs. You need to see the status of the designs, and please once again keep this URL safe. In case you face any problem in terms of not able to access the portal, not able to reset the password, so please reach out to our team from your register email ID at admin@customer121.com. I repeat, admin, ADMIN @customer121.com, and please send an email from your registered email ID with the Creative Hub, else we won't be able to track your email. Alright guys, thank you so much. Keep designing. Thank you again.